Mobile dropship has a huge impact on level design, since the map has to support many different landing locations that blend well with classic natural environment. In this week's Dev Diary, we are going to experiment with the new travel feature and analyze all terrain elements that have to be reflected in level design of the final map. Hello and welcome to another Volcanoids Dev Diary. Dropships will be able to move from location to location or stay hidden underground. To simplify the process of selecting dropship destinations, the map is divided into several areas called nodes. Each node has a number of landing sites, representing surface locations where dropship can deploy. Player can decide to travel between nodes or landing sites. Each node will have assigned underground material, and player will be able to travel to other nodes only if dropship is equipped with required upgrades. With the travel feature defined, we started searching for elements that will define the island level design. For example, placement of landing sites and their distance from each other, and changing of the island states based on the volcano eruption. For more info about the island states, check the video in YouTube card. To do fast experiments with the island layout, we created a gallery of tiles that are used to form basic island map. In this example, you can see surface and underground together and get a better picture of how the island is divided into node areas. At this point, we focus at a landing site area that has multiple landing sites close to each other. We took the 3D model and created a basic scene in Unity to combine it with the travel feature. The goal is to create different landing sites that allow certain level of strategic decision. For example, landing site close to resources but more exposed for attacks, or landing site in the rocks with less resources to reach. Also, it is important to make sure dropship never crosses paths of other dropships when using a landing site. On this example, you can see dropship moving between nodes, going from one landing site to another. Now it's time to combine all tested features into a large-scale map that will represent the whole island. We added more tile versions, including the volcano with its interior that player has to reach and cool down in order to win the game. This is a minimalistic version of the island, with all components including the lava sources at the sides of the volcano. Again, all is in concept state to get the idea how big or small things have to be and where the ideal locations are. Finally, we can playtest the new map and travel from place to place with a dropship. The red line represents node connections, and the red sphere is the dropship making its way. Blue lines represent landing sites where dropship can deploy. The travel feature works the same way for all dropship sizes, so once a ship is fully upgraded, it can travel all over the island. That's all for this week's Dev Diary. If you would like to know more about the basic concept of the island, check this older video in the YouTube card. Next time we are going to show terrain generation using World Machine and concept of automated resource gathering using mining drones. Hope you are enjoying the development so far. If you would like to try alpha version of the game once it's ready, please sign up on our website volcanoids.com. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you next Dev Diary.